some measurements for you there. And on the top right hand side of the image, you can see that 1.4 kilograms is equivalent to 1 kilogram and 400 grams. Okay. And if you can see here on 2.3 liters is equivalent to 2 liters and 300 milliliters. And 4.5 meters is equivalent to 4 meters and 50 centimeters. Okay. So it's important to you for you to all to know, and you can write this down as well, some of the measurements here. So in 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters. 1 liter is equals to 1,000 milliliters. And 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, right? So these are the basics of measurements, and you need to memorize these. It's very, very important. You need to learn these and memorize these, please. Okay, so write them down now if you're not sure what they meant. Okay, so let's go on to our first question. So what is the equivalent of the length shown below? So the word equivalent means the same as, okay? So 3.5 kilometers, because we know 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Let's find out what 3.5 kilometers are. Let's go to Hamza very quickly. Hi, Hamza.
Hi.
Hi there. So, yeah, go ahead. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, and we need to find out what 3.5 kilometers will be.
I think it's D.
So how many meters are there in 1 kilometer?
Oh, should be.
So how many meters are there in 1 kilometer? I've written it down on the right hand side. Can you see it on your screen?
100.
So in 1 kilometer,
1,000. Sorry.
1,000. Yes, you can see that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So in 1 kilometer, there's 1,000 meters. So if we're looking at 3.5 kilometers, how many meters will that be? So we have 3.5 kilometers, and we're going to multiply by 1,000. And the reason we multiply by 1,000 is because 1,000 has 3 zeros.
D.
How many times can I move that decimal to the right, Hamza?
3.
3 times. Okay, let's try that. Once, twice, and 3 times. And in the gaps, we're just going to add zeros. And like you said before, it gives us 3,500 meters. Good. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go for 3,500 meters. Okay. So now we're going to 40 millimeters, and we're going to convert this into centimeters. So let me write this down on the side as well for you, just so you can see. So in 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeters. In 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeters. So we're converting 40 millimeters into centimeters now.
It's A.
A is correct. Well done. Good lad. And so 150 centimeters, and now we're moving to meters. And remember, 1 meter, in fact, let me just write this down for you as well, because we're coming across new measurements as we're going along. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 1,
meters.
yeah, go ahead. Sorry, say that again.
1.5 meters.
1.5 meters is correct. Well done. Good boy. Okay, thank you, Hamza. And let's look at the next question. So what is equivalent to the length below? So we're looking at 8 centimeters, and we're going to convert 8 centimeters into millimeters. Let's go to Hamira for this one. Hello, Hamira?
Hi.
Hi there. You right?
Yeah.
So if you look at the bottom there, it says 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. And now we're converting 8 centimeters into millimeters.
I think that is going to be C, 18 millimeters.
Well done, yeah. See, 18 millimeters. Fantastic. And now we're converting a quarter meter into centimeters.
I think it's going to be A, 2.5 centimeters.
Let's try again. So how many centimeters in 1 meter?
100.
100, well done. So we're looking at a quarter of a meter. So what's a quarter of 100?
Oh, 25 centimeters.
Well done, good girl. 25 centimeters, fantastic, thank you. Thank you, Amira. And the next one is converting 6,500 meters into kilometers. So for this, yeah, I've got here, so 1 kilometer. So kilo means 1,000. Kilo means 1,000. So we're converting 6,500 meters into kilometers. Let's go to Zoya for this one.
Hi.
Hi Zoya, how are you?
I'm good.
Very good. Can you see the kilometers and meters there, which are written down at the top?
What?
So can you see my image there on the right-hand side, which I've handwritten? So 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters.
Yeah.
And now we're converting 6,500 meters into kilometers.
I think it will be A, 6.5 km.
Yeah, and you know, 6,500 meters, if you were to divide that by 1,000, and 1,000 has 3 zeros, so if we divide 6,500 by 1,000, we move the decimal place to the left 3 times.
Yeah.
And that will again give us 6.5 kilometers. So that's another way that we can check if this is correct. So how many millimeters in a centimeter, Zoya?
10.
Good, well done. And so now we're converting 22 centimeters to millimeters.
I think it'll be 220 mm.
Well done, 220 millimeters. So if we did 22 centimeters multiplied by 10, that would give us the same thing, 220 millimeters. Okay, well done. Okay, and the last one, Zoya. So 18 kilometers. How many meters are there in 1 kilometer?
1,000.
Well done. So if you convert 18 kilometers into meters, what would that what would that give us?
Would it be 1,800?
So how many meters in 1 kilometer?
1,000.
Good. So if you have 18 kilometers, so 18 multiplied by 1,000. So when we multiply by 1,000, how many zeros do we add up at the end of 18?
3.
Excellent. So if you were to stick 3 zeros at the end of 18, what will that give us?
It would be A.
Yep. And how do you pronounce A?
18,000.
That's
Yeah.
it. 18,000. So if you add 3 zeros at the end, any number, if you add 3 zeros at the end, it's always going to be thousands. So because that's 18 and you've got 3 zeros at the end, 18,000. That's all. Okay, good girl. Well done. Okay, let's go on to the next question. In this case, we're converting centimeters. So let's. Hello, Sabi.
Hi.
Hi there. How you doing?
Good.
Very good. Would you like to have a go at this one?
Okay. It's C.
Can you give me some sort of clarity in working out as well?
So, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So 4
Yeah.
meters will equal 400 centimeters. And then you have 3/4 of a meter, and 3/4 of 100 is 75. So 400 add 75 is 475 centimeters.
Yeah, well done. So 3/4 of a meter was how much?
75 centimeters.
75 centimeters. So you just add on the 75 centimeters onto 400 because in 4 meters there are 400 centimeters. So the answer will be 475 centimeters. Hold on for that. And have a go at this one as well. So millimeters, centimeters. How many millimeters in 1 centimeter?
10.
Excellent. Okay. So
So we've got 60 millimeters. That's 6 centimeters. And then we've got the 5, which is gonna be half of a centimeter. So it's 6.5 centimeters.
6.5 centimeters. Fantastic. Good boy. Well done. Thank you, Sabi. Let's go on to the next question here. So how much weight is shown on the scale below? So let's have a look at this. So we're just trying to work it out by looking at the scale factor in this case. Let's go to Ebenezer. I'll leave the measurements on the board so you can all see. Hi, Ebenezer. Have a go at this
Hi.
one.
Okay. I think what you need to do is if you look at the it's like a clock, but it's not a clock, and you can see it's just from 1, and the answer will be 1.1 kilogram.
Yeah, so it's just gone over the 1 kilogram, so it'd be 1.1 kilogram. Well done. And have another go at this one as well, Ebenezer.
This one would be 3.6.
Yep, 3.6 kilograms, rough estimation. Well done for that, Ebenezer.
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem.
And we've got 3 more to do, so let's go to for this one. Okay, there we go.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Very good. Have a go at this one as well.
Is it 0.6 kilograms?
Yeah, very good. Well done. Just more than halfway from 0 to 1. So 0.6 kilograms makes sense. Well done. And try this one as well.
2.3 kilograms, which is C.
So for question number 14, you said 2.3 kilograms. So yes, it's just over 2, less than 2.5. So 2.3 kilograms makes sense. Lovely, well done. And just do the last one as well, please. Thank you.
1.8 kilograms, which is D.
Yeah, so just less than 2, more than 1.5, so 1.8 kilograms. Fantastic, lovely. Okay, and can I just ask you all to make sure that these measurements here on your screen, which I've written down, if you could kindly very, very quickly copy these out if you haven't done so already, because these are measurements that you really do need to learn off by heart, okay? Because if you don't know these off by heart, I'm afraid if there are any more questions that turn up, then it will get very difficult for you to know what to do. Okay. So please do that now. I'll give you a few seconds.